In this video, we explore the top shopping malls in Dubai, showcasing their unique features, shopping experiences, and entertainment options. From the luxurious Dubai Mall to the vibrant Mall of the Emirates and the traditional souks, discover where to shop, dine, and have fun in this amazing city. The Dubai Mall, a world of luxury, entertainment, and unmatched shopping experiences. Explore over 1,200 retail stores, dine at gourmet restaurants, and marvel at iconic attractions like the Dubai Aquarium and the dancing fountains. Whether you're shopping for luxury brands, enjoying family fun, or simply soaking in the stunning architecture, the Dubai Mall offers something for everyone. Discover why this is more than just a mall, it's an experience. Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Standing at an incredible 828 meters, this architectural marvel offers breathtaking views of Dubai. Explore the world's highest observation deck, enjoy fine dining at Mosphere, and experience the luxury and innovation that define Dubai's skyline. Discover the story behind this iconic landmark and why it's a must-visit for anyone traveling to Dubai. By the way, I have a mini vlog about the Burj Khalifa on my channel, and I will put the link up here so you can check it out. Dubai Gold Souk, a glittering treasure trove in the heart of Dubai. Explore one of the most famous gold markets in the world, where the dazzling displays of gold, diamonds, and precious gems captivate visitors. Whether you're looking to buy or simply admire, the Dubai Gold Souk offers an unforgettable experience with its rich history, vibrant atmosphere, and incredible craftsmanship. Discover why this market is a must-see for jewelry lovers and tourists alike.
المحطة الأخيرة لهذا القطار هي
Mall of the Emirates, where shopping meets entertainment. Explore one of Dubai's premier shopping destinations, home to over 600 stores, luxury brands, and world-class dining. Don't miss Ski Dubai, the indoor ski resort, offering a unique snow experience in the desert. From shopping to cinema and family fun, the Mall of the Emirates is a must-visit for anyone looking to enjoy the best of Dubai.
Welcome to Ski Dubai. Meet the penguins. Stay safe and enjoy your visit.
City Center Deira, a shopping haven in the heart of Old Dubai. Discover a blend of modern retail, dining, and entertainment in one of Dubai's most popular malls. From international brands to local boutiques, City Center Deira offers something for everyone. Enjoy a wide range of dining options, catch a movie, or simply soak in the vibrant atmosphere of this iconic shopping destination in Dubai's historic Deira district. Jumeirah Beach, Dubai's iconic stretch of sun, sand, and sea.
1,000 dirham.
For learning.
Yeah.
Relax on the pristine white sands of Jumeirah Beach, with stunning views of the Arabian Gulf and the iconic Burj Al Arab. Whether you're sunbathing, swimming, or enjoying water sports, this beach offers a perfect blend of relaxation and excitement. Discover why Jumeirah Beach is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the best of Dubai's coastal beauty.